That technology integration is achieved by Teacher Nero, who creates a rich learning environment in which students regularly engage in activities that would have been impossible to achieve without technology. For example, their own PowerPoint presentation lessons would be letter A, infusion, letter B, transformation, letter C, adoption, or letter D, adaptation. Ang tumpak na choice for this one right here is letter B, transformation. Entry level, yung hints pong makikita ninyo sa ating pong question doon is that the teacher begins to use technology in his classroom, no? Or the teacher starts to use technology or to integrate technology in his lessons. Next comes adoption. The teacher guides the students in the conventional use of technology. Kumbaga, tinuturuan niya kung ano yung mga ordinaryong gamit ng iba-ibang technology. Next one, adaptation, independent use and exploratory use of technology. Pero with control pa rin, in control pa rin yung teacher kasi walang choice yung estudyante kung anong klase ng app. The student already has a choice kung ano po yung technology na po pwede nilang gamitin. That's infusion. Kaya po sila magkaiba ng adaptation. Transformation, without the technology, it is going to be impossible to do that activity. Okay?